How to buy USDT on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Binance step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Binance app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, if you don't have an account yet, just create one and complete the identity verification as this is required before buying crypto. And here, once you are logged in, just tap on the buy crypto option on the home screen, and after that, you can simply choose the USDT as the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. And after that, you can simply select your local currency and enter the amount that you want to spend. And here at this point, Binance will show you different or different payment methods such as bank transfer, card payment, or P2P trading depending on your region. So here, if you choose card or bank, you can simply select the option or review the details and then tap buy and confirm the payments. And once it's processed, the USDT will be added to your Binance wallet. But here, if you choose P2P trading, then you just have to tap on P2P and select buy and choose USDT and pick a seller with a good rating and preferred payment method. And there you can just enter the amount and place the order and complete the payment exactly as instructed. And after the seller confirms the payment, the USDT will be released to your wallet. And once purchase is complete, you can just go to the wallets and then funding or spot wallet, and there you'll see your USDT balance. And that's it. That's how you can buy USDT on Binance. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.